India. Development of infrastructure or promotion of heritage and culture or enforcing strict law and order. Topic is clear?
Yes, sir.
Every 1,000 kilometers, the culture changes, and I think promoting heritage and culture is one of the aspects that India.
I agree with
attract
Chester 23
people
that
to come to India to visit the exquisite places that are not.
Adding to Chester
foreign.
University, every university of the Central University of India, and providing students to go out and have a look to the international tourism.
experience the way the actual culture, they want to experience the culture first hand. That's why I think they do not want to experience it in hotels or somewhere. They want to experience it with, like, in villages or in the traditional.
They teach them. So I think strict laws should be followed first.
India, because of lack of promotion, that if there is a promotion, African people and
Number 4, first point जो आपने बोला था, you were tumbling, you were hesitating. ठीक है, तो आपके दिमाग में जो पॉइंट आपको बोलना है वो बिल्कुल क्रिस्टल क्लियर होना चाहिए, और जब बोलो तो पूरे कॉन्फिडेंस से बोलो. People who are participating more to keep quiet, that so that you get an opportunity to speak, right? So you, unless you utilize that opportunity, you will be left behind. आप क्या गलती कर रहे हो वो करेक्ट किया जा सकता है only when you participate. When I get to know your mind, your behavior, वो तब तक emerge नहीं करेगा जब तक आप participate नहीं करोगे. Try to bring this chest number 25 into discussion. Good. This is a good gesture, and others can also do it. So, very politely but firmly you can tell him, please hold on, continue with your point, and then you can offer to him, okay, yes. Right? You need to enter the discussion early firstly.
Yes, please.
And then try to maintain that tempo.
Yes,
right? आपका participation कम रहा है.
yes, sir.
Right? Secondly, don't give up so easily. अगर आपने पहले बोलना शुरू किया है and somebody is trying to cut you off, you can very politely but firmly tell him, please hold on, continue with your point. You have tried to speak number of times but given up.
Yes, sir.
तो वो अपनी पोजीशन को होल्ड करना आपके हाथ में है. 15. आपने इनिशियली कई बार बोलने की कोशिश की बट अगेन यू गिव अप, राइट? एंड देन you came under stress wherein you started speaking fast. You've been cutting off a lot of people, right? Attitudinally that is not good. I have told you कि SSB में, ग्रुप टेस्टिंग में सिर्फ आपकी नॉलेज नहीं देखी जाती है, आपका बिहेवियर भी देखा जाता है. So always keep that in mind how you behave in any group.